All right, everybody, we're gonna try and get this trim installed, but before I can go too far with it, I have to drill out the old rivets on the old plastic clips that are holding it on. So I'm gonna take you in, just kind of get you a view of what you have to do if you're dealing with it, so you kind of be familiar with what we're doing to get this trim installed. So here's the old clips, and you can see those rivets. Some of them are missing. But we're gonna drill those out. And then there's one that's broken off in that hole, so we gotta drill that out as well before we can get this stuff installed. So stand by and we'll catch you up to speed. That popped right out. All right, next piece, get these little clips. If you end up buying these, you'll see that there's a little flat tab that goes against the metal side of the bed. So make sure you're attaching it the correct way so that these trim pieces hold down tight. So the next thing we got to do is install this little clip right here in the end of this trim. When it's going on, it'll be mounted to the truck this way. This little clip slides all the way down to this end, and the screw needs to be, the screw actually needs to be towards the bottom of the trim. In order to get it in, you start at this end. It's got some little tabs in it that help line it up. We're gonna slide that all the way down to this end, at which point we will snap it into place, and it kind of goes under this little lip right here. And you'll see it slide all the way to the end, just like that. And then this goes into the side of the tailgate. You'll see there's a hole right here. That'll all go into. So I think we're about at the point this all needs to go on. Before I tighten this guy down, I'll make sure. Let's take you in and show you how this turned out. Looks really nice. I'm really pleased with it. All right. Well, we're just gonna wipe her down a little bit, and that'll be it. I do have to go in. There's some, I have to put a nut on the backside right here where it went in that hole, and it tightens it down. That helps kind of secure it outside of the clips. It helps to actually secure it straight to the tailgate. There's one on each end, so we'll finish that up, and that'll be a wrap, you guys. And I'm really pleased with that. It's a great little addition to it. It belonged there, it was just missing, so. That's it, just a quick update. Let you guys see what we've got going on. Stick around, we'll see you guys on the next one.